Hi everyone and welcome to our channel. Shea Butter health benefits include natural treatment for eczema, helps manage arthritis, help treat acne, slows down aging process, aid nasal decongestion, improves hair condition, reduces scar appearance, helps treat razor bumps, help prevent hair loss, lowers cholesterol level, and helps treat insect bites. What is shea butter? What is shea butter? It's a substance commonly used in cosmetic and natural skincare products. Full of all natural vitamin A, 100% pure, unrefined, raw shea butter can improve numerous skin conditions such as blemishes and wrinkles, stretch mark prevention during pregnancy, muscle fatigue, dermatitis, and radiation treatments for certain medical problems. Why is shea butter good for your skin? Shea butter, also called Butyrispermum parkii, is extremely moisturizing and very hydrating. When applied to the skin, it provides immediate softness and smoothness. But there is even more proven benefits of shea butter. The National Center for Biotechnology Information published a study indicating that shea nuts and shea fat, shea butter, constitute a significant source of anti-inflammatory and anti-tumor promoting compounds. Another study from the American Journal of Life Sciences claims that shea butter boosts collagen production, demonstrating some major anti-aging potential. Where does shea butter come from? It comes from the shea tree, Butyrispermum parkii, also called Vitelloria paradoxa. Considered a sacred tree, the shea tree is native to Central Africa. What is shea butter made from? The shea butter comes from the nuts found on the tree by removing the outer shell. The nuts are crushed by hand so that they can be slowly roasted into the butter. Once this has been done, the butter is kneaded by hand in a large basin of water to separate the oils, also known as the fatty acids. These fatty acids are what provides the restorative properties, making it one of the best options for skincare and more. To get the final product, the shea butter is removed off of the top and cooled until it hardens. Butyrispermum parkii has been used for topical purposes for centuries, and some believe that unrefined shea butter was even used by Cleopatra and the Queen of Sheba. Today, shea butter for skin and hair usage is extremely popular, which is why you will find it so commonly as an ingredient in cosmetic products. Is shea butter edible? The pure variety is edible, and in African countries, it is often used in food preparation along with other oils. Sometimes raw African shea butter is used in place of cocoa butter, but if you compare the tastes of shea butter vs cocoa butter, they are quite different. Shea butter composition. Raw shea butter is rich in stearic, oleic acids and benefit-rich vitamin E and vitamin A. The oil from the fruit of the shea tree contains about 45 to 50% oleic acid, 30 to 41% stearic acid, 5 to 9% palmitic acid and 4 to 5% linoleic acid. The best shea butter is extracted using cold-pressed methods without added chemicals or preservatives. Butyrispermum parkii is smooth in texture and does not liquefy at room temperatures, however, it will soften in your hands, making it easy to apply. Containing vitamins A and E, it has relatively high amounts of saturated fatty acids, like MCT oil, when compared to other plant-sourced lipids, such as grapeseed oil, olive oil, and canola oil. The Food and Drug Administration includes shea nut oil on its list of direct food substances, affirmed it generally recognized as safe, GRAS. While it is more common in beauty products, shea butter is also found in a variety of confections and chocolate as a cocoa butter substitute. Health benefits. 1. Anti-inflammatory skin moisturizer. Shea butter for face and body moisturizing is by far one of this natural ingredient's top uses. Too many skincare products contain unhealthy synthetic ingredients. In contrast, Butyrispermum parkii is a natural ingredient that acts as an amazing skin conditioning agent. Plus, it is anti-inflammatory too. A study published in the Journal of Oleoscience reports that shea nuts and shea fat, shea butter, help to reduce inflammation. In addition, both shea nuts and butter have anti-tumor promoting compounds called cinnamate esters, which are also found in cinnamon. 2. Provides anti-aging properties. Retaining the skin's natural moisture content is a high priority if you want to reduce the visible signs of aging, and Butyrispermum parkii is an excellent moisturizer. Raw shea butter can encourage tissue cell regeneration and softening of the skin, which can help to decrease the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The American Journal of Life Sciences reported a clinical study involving 30 volunteers in which shea butter diminished various signs of aging. In another clinical study for dry, delicate, or aging skin, 49 volunteers applied shea butter twice daily and discovered that it prevented photo-aging. It's no wonder that you can often find shea butter in many natural anti-aging facial products. 3. Moisturizes both scalp and hair. You can also use shea butter for hair and scalp conditions. When used topically, it helps to seal in moisture, conditioning the scalp, alleviating dandruff, and providing overall protection from harsh climates, much like how coconut oil works for hair. Is shea butter or coconut oil better for your skin? Both are excellent natural moisturizers, and you can use either one on your skin, scalp, or hair. Improve your health and appearance. Gently warm the shea butter to soften it and rub it thoroughly throughout your hair and scalp. For best results, leave on for 20 to 30 minutes. Then, rinse, shampoo and condition as normal. In addition to the moisturizing shea butter benefits for hair and scalp, the butter can also provide volume when applied to just the roots when styling. 4. Relieves windburn, sunburn, and winter dry skin. Raw shea butter is perfect to help eliminate that itchy winter skin. Its moisturizing qualities penetrate deep into the skin, offering more moisturizing benefits while preventing windburn. It's perfect for cracked and dry heels, hands, rough elbows and knees. Shea butter is a much healthier, nourishing choice because most sunscreens are filled with noxious chemicals that penetrate the skin and enter our bodies. While the SPF of this sunscreen is only about 6, it can provide some protection in a more natural way and is perfect underneath makeup. It's really a shea butter moisturizer and sunscreen in one. Butyrispermum parkii is also great for applying if you do get a sunburn. 5. May reduce stretch marks. How do you get rid of stretch marks? While many believe that retin-A and laser treatments are the only way to diminish stretch marks, raw shea butter may help with its natural vitamin A content. Because of its amazing healing properties and hydrating qualities, shea butter may possibly reduce the appearance of stretch marks and other scarring. Some people also use it to naturally improve the appearance of cellulite by smoothing and softening the skin. 6. Prevents diaper rash for babies. Shea butter makes a great diaper rash ointment for your baby because of its anti-inflammatory and antifungal properties that can help fight off yeast. Raw shea butter can help improve blood circulation, promoting cell regeneration while providing improved collagen production. Both cell regeneration and collagen production are important to healing diaper rashes quickly. Since most children are exposed to a large number of chemicals through the numerous products found on the shelf, this is the perfect DIY diaper rash solution to help avoid those chemicals and ensure comfort and rapid healing for your baby. Uses. Wondering how to use shea butter on face, hair, and maybe even in your next meal? You can actually use shea butter instead of dairy butter or olive oil in recipes. And it's super easy to make your own skincare products right at home. Raw shea butter is gentle enough to use daily and is perfect for many uses, from facial creams and body lotions to lip balms and even shaving cream. Types of shea butter. It's important to purchase only high-quality premium raw pure shea butter so that you get the most benefits. The American Shea Butter Institute notes that shea butter contains the ingredient cinnamic acid, an anti-inflammatory agent, which is a substance closely related to the same cinnamon you find in your kitchen cabinet. The less pure the shea butter, the less cinnamic acid present, therefore, the shea butter benefits greatly decrease. Looked for unrefined shea butter that has a beige color and nutty aroma. Refined shea butter is chemically altered, which takes away the majority of its inherently good properties, and it also makes it white in color. Also, many shea butters have added ingredients, such as synthetic fragrances, and these unhealthy additives can dilute the benefits greatly. Where to buy? Wondering where to buy shea butter? You can easily find pure, organic shea butter at your local health food store or online. Always look for raw/unrefined and organic to ensure you getting the best quality. You can look for shea butter in facial and body care products. There is also shea butter soap and body wash, too. How to store? Always store your shea butter away from heat and light. If you have unrefined shea butter, it's typically recommended that you store it in an airtight container in a cool, dry place. It's recommended that shea butter is used within 18 months of extraction from the seed, as beneficial properties may diminish over time. In the colder months, you will notice that the butter will harden, and in the warmer months, it will be softer, which are both normal. Precautions and potential side effects of shea butter usage. Shea butter is generally considered a safe and effective natural moisturizer. Some people are allergic to tree nuts, and that can include nuts from the